What's up, guys? Ryan here from RPS Dent Specialists, coming to you with a tool unboxing from one of my favorite tool companies. Let's see what I've got. All right, so let's see what we've got. A pretty heavy box here. I know what's in here, but it's still exciting unboxing new tools. So, and my good friend here knows how much I love how they package their packages. So let's see what we've got. Pretty good bundle. We don't need that. Ooh. Nice set of the shut-ups here. I'm going to display a set of these at on my shop here, and I love these tools, man. I've got so much time involved in those. What I've got here, and like I said, I love Mark Blehm. He does such a good job packaging his tools. He knows how much I love this plastic wrap that's on here. Usually he'll put 12 feet of plastic wrap on there and let me unwrap it as a joke. So I'm glad he didn't do that. Thanks, Mark. I appreciate it. But what we've got here is, I love Blehm's ratcheting handles. By far some of the most comfortable ratcheting handles on the market, I think. And I wanted to order a couple more door tools from them. So we've got the shorter door hook, standard, and we've got a shorter, sharp ratcheting handle. We've got a longer, sharp ratcheting handle. What else we got here? Go to this one first. Got another, just two of the shut-ups for my guy Shane. He needed a set, and I wanted to get him a set so he has it in his truck since they work so well. You don't need that. These I'm excited about. I should have picked them up at MTE, but I didn't. Everybody talks how fantastic they are. And what they are is Blehm Tools bendable whale tails. If you guys have never tried these bendable whale tails, I used the local techs here, tried them out, and just fell in love with them and had to have them. And I was like, man, I looked at these and we sold a ton of them in the booth at MTE, and I'm like, oh, well, I don't know. I like the Dentcraft whale tails, but everybody rants and raves about these. And you can see the wider whale and the smaller whale. They have bendable shafts. But fantastic tools from Blehm. I am excited about the shorter, sharp. Like I said, I really like their handles. Their handles are by far some of the most comfortable that that are out there. But I wanted to do a quick unboxing of this thing, let you guys see what I got new in the mail. Appreciate you watching. I'll see you on the next video. Keep it real.